Hi, welcome to the training today. Today I'll be showing you the Compare It app, and we're going to be shopping for homes today. One of my buddy is buying a home up towards the Sacramento area. His boy's going to go up to UC Davis, so yeah, it's going to be up there for probably 12 or 13 years. So he's going to buy a home up there. So I'll show you how to use the app. I already downloaded this from the Chrome web store. You can get it from the Microsoft Edge web store also. So I had to add it up to my taskbar here already. So to add the extensions, you'll see a bunch of extensions. Once you add it, make sure you pin it up so that you can actually see it here. So I'm gonna pin it on my taskbar up here so I can access it easily here. So I'm gonna turn it on. We're gonna add a button to the screen, so it'll make it a lot easier. I don't have to go back to the pop-up here and click on add to compare. So I could just use this button here. So I'm going to start out with the website homes.com here, and Davis is on the other side here. It's about maybe 20 or 30 minutes away, so I wanted something close to it. So, and he had a budget also, so I filter it already. So we're going to look at some of these homes here. This one here, not that one. Something like this, 1 bedroom. Okay. So what the app does, it actually is extremely useful. Let's say I want to add this to my list. So I'm going to click add to compare. And it's going to create this tab here. And this is called the compare it tab. And it's going to put a snapshot and it's going to grab the price here for me. So that 320,000. Let's go back here. Let's add a few more to it on our list. Not that one. Let's see here. How about this one? 2 bedroom. Take a look at that one there. And let's see here. That might just do it. That looks decent. Okay, so let's add that. So whatever you see on your desktop here, it is a when you do the snapshot capture, it's going to capture this. So I want to see this, and I want to see the price. Now you notice something about the price here. The price down here is included with the $20,000 price drop. So when I add this tab here, and I capture this and I add it to my list here, you'll see that it adds everything there. Okay, and that is gonna make a little difference in a bit, and I'll show you why. Let's add a few more here. This one's decent. We're gonna add this one too. Click add to compare. And you'll see it up here in your bar here. The number here will increment. So right now I had 3. And let's scroll down here a little bit more. Let's pick another one here. 3 bedroom. Okay, take a look at that one. Looks pretty decent. Has a garage. 3 bedroom, 1 bath. Quite small. 980 square feet. Okay, let's add that. Okay, now let's go back to the compare tab here. And if you should close this compare tab here, you can always go back here and restore it as well. Okay, so I got about 4 items here, and it grabs prices for you, but you'll notice that 2 of them has the 20K price drop here. So here in the compare tab list, you can order by price. So here it's going to give me the cheapest one, and then it's going to kick out to the most expensive one. You'll notice that it's not correct. This is because homes.com here has injected some other text with it. So if it's just a price by itself, it does it pretty good. But if it adds a 20K price drop, etc. here, then it throws off the order here. So you can organize it by the most to the least. Okay, and let's do it by cheapest to the most expensive. And then these are off. You can also manually drag these as well, and it'll snap into place as well. Okay. So here I have 4 items here, and these are from the homes.com. So let's go to another website now. Let's go to Zillow, and I filter it for Sacramento already, close to Davis. So let's pick a few of these here. Let's pick this one here. Should we pick this one? Let me look for another one here. Yeah, let's pick this one here. So Zillow here, and where's the price at? Ah, there's a price right there. So I want that price to be captured as well in the snapshot, just in case the app doesn't grab that price correctly. Okay, because Zillow, if I remember, they inject the price into the their website, so it doesn't. They don't really like people grabbing prices. So let's add this. I have 5 items now. Let's add one more. And say maybe this one here. Go up here. No, we'll just grab this one up here. I added this one yet. Make that price appear there. Add to compare. Okay, I have 6 items now. So let's take a look at that. Okay. And you'll see that those 2 new ones I added, it looks like it wasn't able to grab the price here. So I'm going to zoom in. To zoom in, what you do is there's a few ways to do it. Once you're in the compare tab here, you can do the control and then mouse scroll up and down. So I'm going to do that. Hold my control key, and then I'm going to roll my mouse forward. And then you'll see here, it wasn't able to grab those price on Zillow because Zillow injects it, but you can still see the price on the snapshot, and that'll work for us here. I'll hold my control key, and I'm going to scroll back out. Okay. Now my screen is really tiny, so that I could capture it and share it on the video. If I had it full length or full length and width, the screen you won't be able to see it well on the video. So okay, now you can order these by using the order button. You can manually drag them as well, and let's say we'll just manually drag some of these around here. Okay, and the very nice thing about this is that, say you close out of Zillow and Homes and etc., and you still have this tab open here. What you can do is you can actually click on these items, and it'll take you right to the actual link. Okay, close that. Let's say this one with the truck. And it's going to open it right back up. So the app works pretty much across the web. It doesn't matter really where you go. Zillow, Homes, Craigslist. You can grab the price. Actually, Craigslist is really good because you can actually grab the snapshot and the price. So it works pretty good. The other thing that you can do is you can actually save this to a file. So let's say this is why one of the reasons why he's using this is he's able to save this to a file. And when you do that, it's going to put a file, export file in PDF format into your download folder. And then you can email this to your realtor and say, I like these homes, give me more information about them. Okay. Now, when you email this out, your let's say you email this to your realtor, they get it, the PDF file. They can click on the link right below the tiles here. So each tile has a link under. And this is my PDF file here. If I click here, it's going to go right back to that website where the item is located. So it captures that hyperlink too. Okay, let's go back here. Okay. Now inside my compare tab, once I have these items, if I don't want one of these, as say I change my mind, I'm looking all these over. And the nice thing about this is you're able to see all of the items that you pick in one screen and from different websites all over the web. So you're buying homes, cars, or etc. You can organize in, and you can kind of say, this one compared to this one is this much, and so forth. It makes it really simple because when I was purchasing my home, you're always thinking back, how much was that white house, or how much was that yellow house again? And you have to navigate back and find it. Well, this makes it really simple. You snap it into this grid here, and you can export a report, send that to your realtor, or save that for yourself. Okay, so we'll click on another one here. It's going to go right to back to the homes.com website. Shows you the item with the hyperlink. Okay, so you can export those. Now, let's say I wanted to remove one of these here, and let's say we'll look at, let's say this one here. This first one here is too high, it's out of budget maybe, or the second one here, $3.99. So you can hit on this X here on the corner, and it'll take that off your list here as well. Okay, you can clear everything by using the clear button, or you can go back up here. Let me go back to my homes website here. On the homes website, on the regular website, you'll see it here, the pop-up menu here. You can clear everything from there as well. Okay, and then your compare tab is here. Okay, so this is the Compare It app. It's really useful. I use it a lot for research and price comparison and website and news articles and stuff. So I use this a lot. You can turn it off, or you can take off that little button up here. If that button's usually in your way sometime, where there's a link behind it, you can drag it and move it out of the way, and then you can kind of navigate those if you like. Refresh your browser, and it'll snap back onto the upper left-hand corner there. Okay. You can remove it here if it's in your way and you don't like it. You can go back here and always click the Add Compare here. Okay. And that is it. So it's free. You can download it for the Chrome Web Store or the Microsoft Edge add-on Web Store. And hope you like it. I hope it helps you. That's what it's built for. And other than that would be it for this training. And I'll see you in the next one.